independent Swiss watchmaking manufacturer Gerald Charles carries on its homage to its late founder with the release of one of their most technically and aesthetically advanced timepiece yet, the Maestro 9.0 Tourbillon. This model expands the brand's line of fine watches that build on the original design conceptualized by the great Gerald Charles Genta. As always, we've included all the product specifications in the description box so you can check them out later. We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about this watch or any other timepiece from Gerald Charles, ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. But for now, feast your eyes on the latest model of the Maestro collection and discover how the Maison's creative director, Octavio Garcia, was able to put in a new twist to an already iconic design in the horological world. As an authorized retailer of Gerald Charles, Les Ambassadeurs offers a large collection of their latest models, including the Maestro 9.0 Tourbillon. Explore this timepiece at Les Ambassadeurs Espace Connaisseur Lounge in Geneva at Rue du Rhône, in Zurich at one of the most exclusive shopping avenues in the world at Bahnhofstrasse, or in the beautiful city of Lucerne at Kappelplatz, or visit our online store at lesambassadeurs.ch. Gerald Charles is known more for its eponymous founder, having designed some of the industry's most iconic timepieces, including the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak and Patek Philippe's Nautilus. But as a brand, they have always been admired for creating timepieces that are emblematic of the Swiss maestro's vision and at the cutting edge of ergonomics and comfort. And it's no surprise that this design philosophy exists in their latest release, the Maestro 9.0 Tourbillon. While it carries the distinctive case that Gerald Charles is known for, creative director Octavio Garcia took the collection to the logical next step by introducing a flying tourbillon, turning an already classical design into a technical masterpiece. One look at the Maestro 9.0 and you'll see all of Monsieur Charles Gérald Genta's design hallmarks, from the royal blue sunburst dial to the minimalist hands and indices filled with superluminova. At 6 o'clock, just above the smile of the case, provides the wearer and guests a direct look into the 60-second flying tourbillon powering this timepiece. A screw-down crown provides water resistance of up to 100 meters. As with all watches in the Maestro collection, the Maestro 9.0 carries the very recognizable case. This case is 42 mm in length and 39 mm in width, made of medical-grade stainless steel and both asymmetrical and playful, as evidenced by that smile. Thanks to an only 9 mm height and lug-to-lug size of 43 mm, the watch just feels smooth on the wrist and also very light. Looking at the wrist comparison, we clearly see that the watch fits very well on an average wrist size, and what is also very noticeable is that the watch is very adaptive to almost any style. The sapphire crystal case also reveals a 22-karat rose gold oscillating mass that's accented by a honeycomb motif conceived by Garcia for the Maestro 8.0 Squelette. The main draw of the Maestro 9.0, however, is the flying tourbillon. Designed together with Vaucher Manufacture Fleurier, Garcia and the Gerald Charles engineers created a sophisticated 60-second flying tourbillon that beats at 4 Hz and a power reserve of up to 50 hours, thanks to its twin-barrel system. This movement is housed in a skeletonized titanium cage in the shape of the Maison's logo. The Maestro 9.0 Tourbillon comes with vulcanized rubber strap that matches the royal blue of the dial. This sporty option balances out the elegance of the timepiece, making it perfect to wear for any occasion. Only 50 pieces of the Maestro 9.0 Tourbillon with a steel bezel will be produced, and it's priced at 85,400 Swiss francs. Another 10 pieces will be made a year in 18-karat white gold with a diamond set bezel priced at 123,700 Swiss francs, and another 10 pieces with a sapphire bezel decorated by the master gem setters of Salanitro, Geneva, priced at 126,300 Swiss francs. Les Ambassadeurs is proud to have the Gerald Charles Maestro 9.0 Tourbillon available for you. If you haven't already, visit Les Ambassadeurs' website and shop from our online store at your convenience. You can even take advantage of our super-fast flash delivery service, where we can deliver a watch within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. The Gerald Charles Maestro 9.0 Tourbillon continues the design vision of its eponymous founder. It features all the hallmarks of a watch in the Maestro collection, from its royal blue sunburst dial to that very recognizable case. A watch that, despite being advanced technically and aesthetically, does not lose the main purpose of a watch: telling time. What do you think about this timepiece? What is something that impressed you the most? We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about this watch or any other timepiece from Gerald Charles for that matter, ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest watch reviews from Les Ambassadeurs, please subscribe to our channel, click the bell button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.